Straight to our continuous coverage from Davos, where Shereen Bhan caught up with the founder of Suzlon Energy, Tulsi Tanti, on the company's capacity addition plans and the debt picture. Listen in.
Well, our dialogue in Davos continues. Joining us now is Tulsi Tanti of Suzlon Energy. Mr. Tanti, appreciate you joining us here in Davos. Let me start by asking you about an outlook as far as 2017 is concerned. If I were to look at, what the commentary was earlier, you expect 1,500 megawatts in terms of projects to be completed over the next 3 years. Your order book, at least as of September, was at 1,136 megawatts, valued at about over 7,000 crore rupees. Given where you stand today, what is the outlook for 2017 look?
2017, the industries in India particularly, if you see, it's growing very, very strongly. Last 2 years, the renewable space is growing almost 100% growth. So 2014 to 15, it's $2.5 billion investment to $5 billion. And $5 billion to $10 billion in the current financial year. So the last 2 years, India is growing in a renewable space, more than 100% growth year on year goes. Our plan, which you talk really, it's very clear for the next 5 years, how much India will add additional capacity in a wind sector. Today is the total install base is 28 gigawatt is there. Going forward in the next 5 to 6 years, 32 gigawatt capacity will be added based on the Prime Minister target of 175 gigawatt by 2020. 60 gigawatt has to come from the wind sector. So based on this target, we are also very equipped and more interested to utilize our more and more capacity to build. So 15,000 megawatt is our plan for the next 5 years to build the capacity in the country. But most of the project going forward also we are bringing a new system technology integrations of the wind, solar, the hybrid solutions. So that's the focus area is driving.
So 15,000 megawatts over the next 5 years?
Next 5 years,
okay.
Yes.
I also want to get an update from you as far as your debt position is concerned, because you had articulated that you would like to bring down debt by about 50-odd%.
Correct.
Also an update as far as the CDR process is concerned. Where do things currently stand? And by when will you be out of CDR?
No, as you know, the last year we have sold out our the large subsidiary of the Germany, the Aripower, and also we have exited for our investment in Hansen. So both the acquisition we have sold out, and we have reduced our debt very clearly.
And we have snow.
The snowfall is happening. And we have lost, we have reduced the 50% of our debt in the last April. So now we are very comfortable. It's just $1 billion debt is there. But
just $1 billion. Just $1 billion, sir. That's
yes. So from 2 billion to billion. So it's a quite good reduction. And most of the debt is now sitting is 650 million is in a dollar terms, and the rest is in rupee. And we have a cost of fund is very low, some 3.5% is there. So we are very comfortable. And this $650 million, our repayment as a bullet payment is 2023. So it's a quite back-ended is there. And now we are going on a quite good growth. The last financial year, we have done 150% growth. And the current financial year also, the 2 quarters result we have delivered, and we are growing more than the market growth. So that will give us the good comfort to sustain and manage the debt. And we are generating profit in a current financial year. So it's going moving very well.
And on the CDR, what is the latest as far as your
CDR is already in the final stage of the discussion with the number of banks, because we have 18 banks in a consortium is there. So in principle, consortium has supported our request. And now the process point of view, this financial year, by March, our target is very clear to complete the process and to exit from the CDR.
So you will exit the CDR by this financial year?
Correct.
That's by March?
Correct.